Hey, good morning. My wife asked me, saan daw kami mag-Valentine. Sabi niya, kahit saan daw. So ayun, where are we now?
Nasa tayo sa Budapest.
Yes. So dito kami mag-celebrate. Today is Feb 14, our first day in Budapest. It's around 12, almost 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Yung check-in namin sa hotel dito sa Hotel Seven Seasons. Ang ganda nung area na napag-accommodation namin kasi sa city center siya mismo. Unfortunately, 3 o'clock pa yung check-in. So, iniwan muna namin luggage namin. Lalunch muna kami. Hey! Morning Budapest, afternoon Budapest. Let's go. Hey. Hey guys, room tour tayo. So, ito yung nakuha naming apartment, Seven Seasons apartment. Andito siya sa may city center mismo. So, yung pagpasok mo, ito yung parang reception area. First is, sobrang sulit, mabisa guys. Look at that. Look at that. We have the whole living room. TV, of course. Dining area. Kitchen. Microwave, lahat-lahat kasama na. Oven. Even refrigerator is included. And what I like about this apartment is, look at this. Meron pang terrace. Di ba? So, ang rent namin dito is £50 a night. We're gonna be staying here for 4 days. So, ayan siya. Sobrang sulit guys, kumpleto. Sobrang better niya kesa sa hotel. And what I like about this one, because it has separate toilet. Look at that. Separate toilet and separate yung liguan. Ayan siya. May washing machine if you need to wash the clothes. And this is the room. Ayan. Bisa. Closet, of course. Ganda. Yan, mabisa. Tapos may nagkatago,
Parang
Yan. Hey guys, so, kaka-check-in lang namin. Sobrang sulit itong kuha namin accommodation. We didn't expect it that ganito siya. Sobrang sulit kasi whole place, lahat-lahat. Usually, kapag nag-rent ka ng hotel, syempre, isang room lang siya, then that's it. Bed, lahat-lahat. Pero dito, sofa, TV, living rooms, dining, ref, lahat-lahat. May separate room, maluwag yung reception area, separate yung toilet, di ba? What else could you ask more? Di ba? Bisa. Tapos, ano pa maganda dito is, 5 minutes lang, andun lang kami, city center na siya, so napakalapit. Whenever we need to go home for something, or we need to recharge or rest for a bit, dito lang siya. Yun, so yun yung room tour namin. Let's go! Hi guys, hello. So at the moment we're river cruise. Nandito kami sa Danube cruise, and yan yung bridge that links Buda and Pest. And then earlier we were there at the Hungary Parliament. So nandito kami ngayon sa cruising lang. Look at the bridge. Hey, ganda. Yan siya. Look at that. Yan, river cruise kami dito sa Danube River. Yan, tama. And Danube, yeah. And this is what I'm telling you before. This is what I told you before. The bridge between Buda and Pest. Yan. Tapos yun kanina, andun yung Hungary Parliament. Is sa mga biggest in the world, yeah. Relax lang. Hey, hi love. Are you enjoying? What can you say?
Maganda.
Yeah, maganda siya.
Relaxing dito.
Relax, pero sobrang lamig.
Yun lang.
Let's go! Hello guys, ayun. Kakatapos lang namin mag river cruise and 1 hour din siya. Ganda rin kasi na-tour namin yung halos sa buong place ng Buddha and Fest. So now, maaga pa naman, 6:30 pa lang, pero mukha ng gabi and sobrang lamig kasi ang hangin. We don't know because 4 dito or 3, pero ganun din naman sa UI, pero mas malamig dito. So ngayon, before kami mag-dinner, since nandito na rin kami sa area, lakad-lakad muna kami papunta doon sa pagkakainan namin ng dinner. Yan o. City walk muna. Chill lang. Pero sobrang lamig guys. Ibang klase. Di ba love?
Yes.
Yes. So tara. Tingin-tingin tayo. Sightseeing tayo ngayong gabi. Let's go. Ang ganda ng mga structures dito. Let's go.
Guys, ang bag.
Mercedes. Hi guys, ayun. Dinner time na. Andito kami ngayon sa Balvarosi, I forgot. But ito yung isa sa mga sikat na meat place here in Hungary. Pipili ka doon sa baba, tapos lulutuin nila. Ayan o. Sa akin, ang pinili ko yung roast beef. Kay Camille, something mustard pepper, something camarot, yeah. Funny thing about this is while we are ordering earlier, because how you order this is by their weight. So, pili ka doon, titimbangin nila, tapos tsaka mo malalaman yung pressure. Kinakabahan kami kasi look at the size of my food. Mukha siyang malaki, no? Per gram kasi. So, akala ko mahal. Pero we were surprised. This, 2 rice, then 1 beef and 1 pork. Then, I think, only cost us around, how much? 9,000. 9,000 foreign. But in pounds, only 18 pounds. Imagine, 2 meal, 18 pounds. Pag nasa London ka, guys, ano lang yan, 1 million lang yan, di ba love? 18 pounds. Pero dito, portion.
20 pounds.
Oh, yan. Yan itself. 20 pounds yan per mabisa. Dinner time. Let's go. Hi guys, good morning, good morning. Second day in Hungary, but we're not gonna spend our second day here. We're traveling to Vienna, Austria. Yan. Magsi-city tour kami doon, day tour kasi 2.5 to 3 hours lang naman siya. So the day tour kami doon, we're on our way sa train station papuntang Vienna, Austria. Yan. Last night hindi na kami nakapag-close ng day 1 because after dinner, we went straight home because maaga kami today. So, ayun. Just a quick recap. Dumating kami dito, midday na. Then, nag-lunch kami sa Moto. Yan, napakasarap ng pizza na yun. And it's cheap. Only 6 to 7 pounds. Isang pizza na, bali tig-isa kami. Then, after ng check-in, then, nagpahinga kami, tulog. Tapos, ayun, nag-river cruise kami. Sunset, gabi na, ganyan. Then, city tour, city walk, then uwi na, dinner. Yun, so now, day 2, we're on our way to train station papuntang Vienna. And ibang klase yung lamig dito sa Budapest. Walang-wala yung UK. Ang lala. Let's go! Hey! Then guys, andito na kami sa tram. Actually, napaka-classic itong tram na namin, the Yellow Tram. Itong tram na to, 1887 pa siya nag-start. Of course, meron ng mga improvement, lahat-lahat. Pero yung pag nakita niyo siya sa labas, ang classic pa rin ng itsura niya, napaka-nostalgic. So, yan. Of course, yeah. Ngayon,
Ano mo yung arrangement?
yeah, sitting arrangement nga rin, pag di kayo magkakilala, ayun, magkatapat. Ayun, ibang klase. Kasi sobrang classic niya. So, ayun. Tram, tapos isang metro, then, ayun na, train pa din on our way there. See ya! Hello guys! We are now officially in Austria, specifically in Vienna. Yay!
Vienna.
Yeah, just arrived here in Vienna HBF, and at the moment I'm so lucky because I found a local. Yes, yes. Meron akong local na kasama. Hey, outfit check.
Sobrang latida!
Hey, local.
Sobrang latida!
Yan. So yeah, basically we're here now sa Vienna. We're heading to the metro station because punta kami sa city center. Tapos explore lang kami, then balik kami ng Budapest around early in the evening, around 5 something. So yeah, explore tayo. Hey, Vienna! Pagkakalamig! Kakaiba. Actually, 1 lang siya. 1.
One?
Yeah, 1. Sa,
So cold.
sa UK, ganito rin naman yung...
Kasi, kasi mahangin.
Oo, hindi kahit sa UK, ganito rin naman yung temperature, but tolerable. But in here, ang lala guys, tumutusok. Naka-puffer kami lahat-lahat. Ibang klase. So yeah, yan no. Hey! Vienna! Vienna with the local. Hey! See you later!
Sobrang latida!
Hello guys, we are now here at the Stephanplatz, basically city center of Vienna, and look at our background. This is the Saint Stephen Basilica. Hey,
Beautiful church.
sobrang angas guys. Yung design niya very Latina, hindi, joke
Sobrang
lang.
Latina!
Yung design niya very medieval Gothic, and look at the city center. It's so busy and very touristy. Hey, you know.
Ang ganda ng simbahan.
Ibang klase, pakita ko. Ayan o.
The architect.
Look at the architecture. Oh my goodness. Look at the church.
Sobrang latida!
Oh my God. Right guys, here we go. We're gonna try the classic Vienna sausage. Classic Vienna sausage. And then back in Hungary, we're gonna try the classic Hungarian sausage. How is it, love?
Sarap. Vienna sausage na. Iba sa Vienna sausage na natin.
Yeah. This is not the usual like Vienna sausage yung maliliit. This is like the actual Vienna sausage. And hey, let's go. Hey, good morning, good morning, good morning. Another day in Budapest. We're now back in Budapest. It's only 9 a.m. Around 9 a.m. in the morning. Of course, it's the morning. So now,
it's -2.
-2 na guys. Pambihira. We left UK for a holiday para makapag-relax kasi ang lamig sa UK. Pero mas malamig pala dito. Ayan, balot na balot ko. Lamig. -3. Sa UK kaya naman eh. 0, 1, ganyan kaya. Ito hindi tumutusok. Yan, so outfit check yan, no? Hey, bayong.
Siyempre, magsisipin tayo.
May pupuntahan kasi kami guys, kaya yung suit namin is not, mamaya pa kami mag-OOTD. Ngayon relax lang. Yan, no? Mukhang lokal eh. Lokal. Yan, no? Outfit check. May awak pang bayong. Let's go. Hey. Hey guys, hello, hello. Yan, kakatapos na namin dito sa Gellert. Yan, thermal spa siya. Thermal bath actually. Budapest is known for like spa, something like this. So yun, hindi ko na na-videoan lahat kasi sobrang nag-enjoy kami, napaka-relaxing sa loob. Alam mo yun, ang lamig ng panahon, tapos pagpasok mo, mainit yung mga pools, thermal yung mga pools. So yeah, very relaxing. This is like one of the most relaxing EU holidays namin yan. Nag-enjoy ka ba lang?
Oh, yes.
Sige.
Of course.
Yeah, ibang klase.
Sarap eh.
Sarap sa loob, nakaka-relax. Parang ayaw pa nga namin umalis eh. Actually, we spent almost not almost half a day because we were there around 9 and now it's almost 2. So yeah, half a day inside Gellert. One of the top 3 thermal spa here in Budapest.
And it's open
Open siya 9 a.m. till 7 p.m. Yeah,
every day.
every day. Let's go! Malamig na ulit. If yesterday, may kasama akong lokal. Ngayon, no, Korean na siya, guys. Korean na siya for today's video. Because yesterday, I was with a local. But today, I'm with a Korean today. Anyo. Yun. But, kidding aside, eto na. Nakapag-bis na kami, naka-freshen up na kami. We're now going out for lunch. Yan, kain tayo. Let's go. Explore natin yung Budapest. Hey!
Ano? sa kakao.
Hey guys, yan kakatapos lang namin mag-late lunch dun sa traditional na Hungarian restaurant. We tried traditional Hungarian food yan. Goulash.
Ano yun? Chicken paprika.
Paprika yan. Yan yung mga specialty nila. Now, we are here at one of the famous touristy spots here in Hungary, which is the Fisherman Bastion. Hey, look at that. Sobrang ganda ng architecture, guys. Sobrang very preserve yung medieval Gothic style. Yan o, pangklase. Yan. Explore natin yan.
Ayun pa yung
Okay, explore natin yung Fisherman Bastion, yeah.
the overlooking.
Hey! Let's go! Hey guys, ito na kami dito sa taas ng Fisherman Bastion. Ang lamig!
Sobrang lamig.
Taas kasi namin no? Ibang klase, ang surreal ng itsura dito guys. Architecture is very nice. Pakita ko sa inyo. Wait lang. Hey.
Look at that.
Ayun o, look. Hey.
Ang dami tao.
Hey. Ibang klase.
Mag-open na yung mga lights.
Ayun o.
Ayun na, parang Christmas.
Let's go! Ew guys, grabe yung lamig talaga. Grabe guys, sobrang ganda dito sa may sa may Buda Castle, Fisherman Bastion. Sobrang
Look at
ganda.
what we're looking at
Ito
the
yung-
moment. It's a huge cathedral. Is it cathedral?
I think so, yeah. I think so. Yung design niya is very medieval Gothic. So, ang ganda talaga ng lugar, love. Ay, guys. Kung sino na. Kung sino na, ayun ibang klase. Ngayon lang kasi kami nakapunta sa...
Parang laruan.
Yes, ayun Ngayon lang kasi kami nakapunta sa EU country na Gothic yung style. First time namin makakita ko. Ang ganda talaga. Tapos, kung makikita niyo ang daming tourists, susunod kami doon kasi, for example, hindi nyo alam kung saan yung mga tourist spots. Ang gawin yung style is, pag nakakita
Yun ang life hack.
ito yung life
Pag
hack.
nakita kayong tourist, sumunod lang kayo.
Kunyari, ayan, tama. Kunyari, di nyo alam kung saan kayo pupunta, kung anong next nyo. The best thing to do is, pag meron kayong mga nakitang turista, usually mga naka-tour yun Sunod
Just
lang.
follow them.
Sunod lang kayo para parang nakikitour na rin kayo. Di ba?
Pero syempre, huwag niyo pahalata.
Huwag lang kayo palata. Medyo distansya kayo. Tulad nito, ito kami Ayun sila. Distansya lang tayo ng konti.
Ayun.
Let's go. Guys, update lang. Hindi nila kami nakahalata. Mukha lang kaming paikot-ikot Ayun yung group. Kung yari lang yun. Yun
Huwag kang obvious.
Nakiki-blend in na kami. Tayo nga tayo dito. Ayun Yan sila guys.
Ay ka na,
Tapos
dito
ito kami.
tayo kasi.
Ano lang yan? Don't look suspicious. Don't look suspicious. Act normal lang. So, distansya muna kami konti. Para hindi kami mahalata, guys. Na makikisali kami sa tour nila. Yan sila. Let's go. Hi guys, good morning. Unfortunately, this is our last day in Budapest. It's already 11 o'clock in the morning. We already checked out in our apartment, but there's a thing here that you can leave your luggage in the front reception, so you can still wander around the city because our flight home is around 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So we still have like almost half a day to explore the city. So that's what we are gonna do now. We left our luggage in the front reception, so now we are just wondering where are we going. First,
Where are we going? We're gonna eat lunch.
yes, exactly. I think we're gonna have a brunch first.
That's our lunch.
Exactly, exactly. We're gonna try a traditional Hungarian sausage because we almost forgot to try the most traditional one, the Hungarian sausage. Yeah. So yeah, now we are heading to the tram 4748, the yellow tram.
Ako
Um,
dito tayo kakain sa ano.
no, because I found a more traditional way
Oh.
or more traditional place for a hug
More
to
traditional ways.
to eat Hungarian sausage. So before that, let's do an outfit check for our last day. Love, go go go. Hey
Outfit check.
hey. Look at that. Hey, so for Latina. Hey,
Wala, normal na damit lang.
so, hey, outfit
Basta
check.
Ano lang, airport outfit.
Airport outfit. Yeah, actually, this is what we do specifically on our first day and our last day. Um, we wear comfortable clothes because, as you know, when you're in an airport,
Ay, sarap nun.
what's that? Cake? When you're in an airport, there's a lot of security checks, and of course, when you're in a plane, the seats were very narrow, so we tend to choose comfortability uh,
Over fashion.
over fashion.
Yes.
So yeah, exactly. So now, yeah, we're heading now to the market hall, yeah, to try a traditional Hungarian sausage. Right, let's go. Right, guys, after 10 minutes, we are now here at the famous market hall in Budapest. So, this is where the market, the wet and market, no, the wet and dry market. Famous siya dito. So, dito kami para kumain ng traditional Hungarian sausage. Actually, yesterday we went here, but unfortunately, it's closed. It was closed because it's a Sunday. Usually on a Sunday, it's like their quiet day in here, so most of them are like just resting in their house. Shops are closed. Most of the shops are closed. So now we're here again to explore the market hall. Yan. Pakita ko sa inyo, guys. Yan siya.
Ay, no, Hungarian sausage.
You know, and Budapest is like famous for their paprika. Yan. And Hungarian sausage, of course. But this one is like the legit thing. Because literally, we're in Hungary, so it's Hungarian sausage. So the place is massive. The market hall is massive. There are second floors, fruit stands, wet shop, dry shops, souvenirs, of course, because this is a tourist spots.
And restaurants.
Restaurants, of course, upstairs. So yeah, we're gonna explore this, and of course, we're gonna try a traditional Hungarian sausage. Let's go.
Hindi tayo paprika lang.
Hi guys, we're done with the market hall. We are now here at the Hungarian Parliament building. The architecture is outstanding. The medieval Gothic you can appreciate here much better compared to last 2 nights away when we did the cruise. But now we're up close at the Hungarian Parliament building. Look at that. Hey, hey,
What a beauty.
look at that. The architecture is outstanding. I think this is like the top 5 biggest parliament in Europe or in the world. Top 2, I think. But sa between top 5 siya, top 5 yun. Insane. Let's go. Hi guys, we're back. So now we're here at our last stop. Unfortunately, this is the last tourist spot that pupunta namin kasi we need to go to the airport na for our boarding. And so this is Saint Stephen Basilica in Budapest. Yan. Ibang klase rin yung architecture guys. Ibang klase, ang laki. Ayan. So, okay na rin na dito yung last stop namin para mag-thank you kami kasi binigyan kami ni Lord ng opportunity to come here at Budapest to be a tourist, spend our holiday here. Ayan, ibang klase. Hey!
Pwede ata umakit sa may taas kasi may nakita akong mga tao.
Yeah, pero may payment dyan. Pero ayun, ikot tayo dito for the last time. Last time, no. For the last stop pala. Ayan. So, ito yung surroundings niya. Ang ganda.
Tickets.
Look at that. Yan. Pakalaki ng simbahan. Yung details niya kasi guys, di ko alam kung ma-appreciate nyo, pero grabe yung details niya. Ang ganda lahat-lahat. Ang linis.